Hey guys, I'm going to do a little unboxing. Got me an early birthday present. Daughter got me a Blackstone 22-inch griddle from Walmart. So we're going to unbox it, put it together, and see how it goes. Kind of went back and forth between this one and the 28-inch one. This was 184 at Walmart. They had a 28-inch for 197, but it didn't have a lid. And that's kind of one of the things we wanted a lid with it. Plus, this one will take both the little 1-pound bottles and the bigger propane bottles. It's got the adapters for you can run both. I got both hoses. So
you're gonna have a helper.
And it looks like I got a helper. Got a sticker. If it don't come with a free sticker, it ain't worth buying. It means they ain't proud of their stuff. Gotta say, it's pretty well packaged in here. I don't know if Tina can get a shot of this or not, but one of the corners is pretty well boogered up, but yeah. I put enough packaging on here. So that's good. Of course, now I can't hold on to nothing. No. These puppies have got to investigate everything. No. No. Puppy's got to be in the middle of everything. Pick one up and do like an outdoor kitchen. So they got the instructions. Activate your warranty. Sticker, if you're into stickers. Me, I like stickers. And a $100 wine voucher. I don't drink wine. Now, if it had been a $100 beer voucher, we would have been all over that.
I think the puppies are waiting for you to get to cooking.
Guys!
That or they just like bubble wrap.
Hey, who doesn't like bubble wrap? No. Get back. So this base looks like it's fairly easy to just unfold the legs. And just enter these. put some little feet on.
Somebody doesn't like that sound.
Do what?
Somebody didn't like that sound.
It'd be alright. Alright. So it's got the hose for the big propane tank. I'm assuming in here. Let's put the knife up too soon. The little regulator for your 1 pound bottles. So you can do both. Not at the same time, of course, but I hope that's obvious. But some people you never know. Go ahead and unpackage it since I'm supposed to be going and getting a big one here later. But I can use the 1 pound ones for at least just getting it started. Lots of screws and spacers. Got the shelf for it.
I was thinking we could take it over and use it to start a brush pile, but as dry as it is, I don't want to start the whole farm on fire.
Yeah. Alrighty. Got these little rubber feet. This is a 22 inch. You can either use the base that it comes with, or you can put it on a little table. I've got a 17 inch one, and I figured it would be just a tad bit too small for the 4 of us. This is going to be a little small for the 4 of us, but a good friend of mine, Dale, over at Acre Family Farms, he's got the 17 inch. If I remember, I'll put a link to his video in the description. Go check out.
Of course, there's only 2 of them to eat off of it, so.
Now there is. There
Yeah.
wasn't.
Except for these mooch hounds, they might be after some.
Well, that just sits down in there like that. So then Okay, got the screws here for the table, for the little table. Now, one thing, if you didn't come up in here, I have watched a couple of videos where they say you've got to make sure these little spurkers sit right over the holes pretty much. Otherwise, they don't like the light. So, those seem to be okay. I want to loosen these screws out. I'm going to put the side table on, and then we'll put the grill on. And all right, so we're going to wash this thing off with some soap and water. And they say that this will be the only time that you use any soap and water on your griddle. Just getting that initial coating of stuff they put on after the manufacture just to protect it. Alrighty. Should I put the grease trap in? Now it's just collecting soapy water, but that'd be alright. Somebody's found a cat. Get all this off of here. Probably gonna be a little bit of a late dinner. Saturday night. It's almost 5 o'clock. And those of you that follow us know that our Saturdays when I'm off work, we go live at 7. Of course, that'll be past by the time you guys see this video. However, like I said, every other Saturday we go live at 7. More than welcome to come in and join us and for an hour. Got some great people in there. The more the merrier. So, one thing that when watching different videos on these, everybody's saying make sure you get good quality paper towels so you don't leave a bunch of lint. These are the just great value brand. I think we're pretty good here. So I think we're ready to turn this thing on and let this thing sit for about 15 minutes, but let's make sure everything It's not wanting to light. Small propane. It looks like we need to bend these a little bit more. So we're going to go ahead and stop this now. Jamie's home. I'm going to swap out and use the big propane bottle, and I need to realign the gills on here. So we'll be right back. All right, we're ready to season this thing. We're going to use the Blackstone griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner for the 22 inch, 17 inch, 22 inch. It says use 1 tablespoon, and we'll spread this on and spread it out and about and everything, and then it says do this about 2 or 3 times.
I'd get a little more than that. That's not quite a tablespoon. There you go.
I'm gonna have to adjust this thing, I can tell, so it's a little bit more level. We'll spread this off, and about time it stops smoking, we'll do it again. And they say you want to do it about a minimum of 3, as they say, between 3 to 5 times. So let that smoke off. I did get a thermometer too. It's a dual, so it's got the probe in here so you can check your meat, but it's also got the IR. So this thing sitting at in the middle, about 670 towards the edge, drops down to 500. So at least kind of get an idea on where the hot area is and where it's not. And so other than seasoning it a few more times, I think we're good here until we're ready to cook this evening, probably after our live.
It'll be cooler out here then anyway.
Yeah. So I appreciate you guys sticking around. Like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and stick around and see what we get into next. Bye-bye for now.
Maybe we'll have some supper.
There you go.